Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy, also known as CR. And welcome back because it's going to be an exciting video because I'm making an omelette. A very, very unique type of omelette. Also, it's in the raw state right now. You can see there's some rice in there, some green veggies, some meat, which in this case is duck. Yep, I never made an omelette or had eggs with duck, but whatever it takes to make it a little bit more exciting at times. Yeah, I'm gonna roll up the puns here. Break a few puns out. There's also a little dash of mustard, a little splash of milk. There's some green veggies in here too. And some other stuff. Alright, here it is, getting fried or cooked up. So I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit here, obviously. So, wooden spatula, obviously. Now, I'm covering it because I'm afraid I'm gonna break it if I try to flip it too soon. Because it's not sticking together right now. And I think I'll add a piece of cheese on the top just to kind of help it along. Stick it together or bind it together. And I have the lid on just to hopefully cook the top more. So I'll add that piece of cheese. More of it with the cheese. Oh, it's almost ready. And just to spice it up, yeah, CR onto it, just for kicks. Now here it is, completed. I have no idea what it tastes like, but it's probably gonna taste good. Filling. Has protein, carbohydrates, a little bit of starches or fiber, some vitamins and some minerals, and it'll probably taste really good because it's nice and hot. So if you enjoyed this video and found it exciting, this very different kind of omelet, hit me up on a big thumbs up. Now, as the world changes so much oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video for me, it's peace out from the guy that's in creation mode with different things a lot of the time, 98.6% of the time. It's peace out from CR. Later. Food. Food.